Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how bill payment works with Koho. Paying bills with your Koho account is a straightforward process you can do right from your phone. First, open your Koho app and tap the dollar symbol, then select Pay Bills. From there, you can search for the financial institution or company you want to pay, such as your credit card company or utility provider. Once you've found the payee, you'll need to enter your specific account information for that company. Be sure to double-check that all the details are correct to ensure the payment goes through without any issues. A key thing to remember is to schedule your bill payments at least 2 business days before the due date. While most bills post within 5 business days, some can take up to 10. This buffer helps you avoid late fees. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.